Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar, or USD for 1st April. So this video analysis is for 1st April only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 2nd April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss the opportunities. So please do subscribe and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So, and as I've mentioned in my other videos that from today onwards I'll be going for a in-depth analysis because I have read many comments and I have also received few messages where people have expressed their pain of in losing money, and I have been through this stage because I was also a beginner once around 6-7 years ago. So I know how it feels when we lose our hard-earned money. Therefore, I'll be going for a in-depth analysis, a more detailed analysis from today onwards, so that before placing the order, okay, you do not make any silly mistake. Okay. So this is it. The main purpose and main motto of this channel is to educate you to make you a better trader. So that's why my videos may be a bit boring, but please do not mind. It is for your own benefit because I want to see you as an independent trader. So let's jump to the chart. So you can see that I have already mentioned 50 moving average as the resistance and 0.7575 as the support. Okay, so this is the present chart of Australian dollar US dollar. So let me take you to the chart. As you can see, this is the chart of Australian dollar US dollar uh, from January. Okay, from January onwards, we can see that market was having no such proper trend up down. After the market went up, okay, market went up, there was a huge bullish run, and after that market fell big time. Okay, with the same speed market came down, and after the market is in kind of a consolidation, but here market got resistance from the 50 moving average and came down. And as you can see, this level, okay, this level is very important for the market because market is taking support at this level since January. Okay, and this level has proved to be a very effective support for the market. So here, when market bounced from this level to the 50 moving average, we have the answer now. Market bounced only because from this level, because market had support at this level. Okay, 0.7575. So 0.7575 is a very important level. Let's take you to the let me show you the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart, and in the weekly chart we cannot see any important levels. Okay, so weekly chart is not required as of now. So one thing we have understood that yes, 0.7575, this level is very important for the market. Okay, and overall the trend of the market is also not towards the upside but towards the downside. So what should be our strategy then? Okay, we can go for two strategies here. Okay, two opportunities here. The first is, okay, as you can see, stochastic RSI is going towards the upside. Okay, so wait for the market to go up. Okay, wait for the market to go up, and when it will hit the 50 moving average. Okay, because 50 moving average is still a valid resistance in the 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame chart. So when AUD USD will hit the 50 moving average or reach the 50 moving average, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average and it is unable to go up, then look for the confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a shooting star or price rejection from above. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, you can short the market at the 50 moving average, and this will be your target 0.7575. Okay, target is not a big target. This is your target. You can exit at 0.75, or if you have the risk appetite and if you want to see, okay, then you can carry on with your trade. Okay, but it will be better if you exit by 0.7575. If you see that after reaching the 0.7575 market is making big red candles, then you can go ahead with the selling it. If you see that at 0.75 market is making big red candle, okay, there is price rejection from above, then you can carry on with your trade. Otherwise, come out of the trade at 0.7575 because market has support at this level since January. Fine. So this is the first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity can be, let market come down to 0.7575 level, okay, or to this level. Okay, when market will be in this level, okay, just observe the price. If you see that price is being rejected from below, okay, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, okay, if you see any hammer kind of a pattern, or a price rejection from above, or a pin bar type of pattern, or a big green candle like this, bullish engulfing pattern, okay, these are the patterns, bullish patterns. If you get the confirmation that yes, this level is a valid support for the market, okay, then also you can take a small risk, can take a small risk and buy just above this level or at this level 0.757. Okay, I'm not saying that you'll get a big target, okay, but at least we'll be making some quick profit. So the first opportunity is you can short the market at 50 MA, okay, and you can go for a buy order at the support level, okay, because this support is very much important. Yes, it is not visible in normal chart, but if you zoom out the chart, you can see that yes, this support is extremely important. And this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and all the best. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.